The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Hamelin was a small town in Germany. The people of Hamelin lived in peace and harmony. However, one day something strange happened and almost everything in the town changed. Thousands of rats flooded the city. Hamelin became a rat's paradise. The rats made their way into the houses and swarmed through the streets. The rats were in all sizes and multiplied fast. They spread everywhere and attacked the shops of books, toys, clothes, and shoes. They even entered the grocers, butchers, and bakers' stores. The people of Hamelin were scared of the rats. The townspeople went to the mayor to discuss their problems, but he could not think of any way to control it. Finally, the mayor announced the reward for the person who could rid the town of the rats. A strange-looking man carrying the flute said, "I am the Pied Piper. I will rid the town of all the rats. What would my reward be?" "If you can do that, I'd give you 50,000 florins," said the mayor. The Pied Piper walked out in the street, took out his flute, and played a melodious tune. The rats were enchanted by the melodious tune and came out of the houses and shops. The rats followed the Pied Piper to the river. The Pied Piper walked right into the river. All the rats followed him and were drowned. The Pied Piper stopped playing his flute. The sun had started rising and there was no rat in the town. The Pied Piper had fulfilled his promise. The people of Hamelin were relieved and resumed their work. The people of the town were very happy. The Pied Piper went to the mayor for his reward. "I have rid the town of the rats. Now you must give me my reward." But the mayor said, "You just played your pipe a little. That doesn't deserve such a big reward. Take these coins and leave." The Pied Piper said, "You have broken your promise and you will regret it." The Pied Piper walked away. Suddenly at midnight, the mesmerizing tune of the Pied Piper woke the children up. They came out of their houses and followed him to the mountainside. The Pied Piper led them into a cave. When all the children were inside, he shut the door of the cave. One little boy could not get in. He stood outside and cried. In the morning, all the townspeople were worried to see their children missing. They searched around but could not find their children. Finally, a man saw the little boy crying on the mountainside. The boy told him that the children were in the cave. All the people went to the mayor and asked him to find the Pied Piper and seek his forgiveness. for having broken his promise. The mayor searched for the Pied Piper, begged his forgiveness, and requested him to get the children back. Without saying anything, the Pied Piper walked away. After a few hours, he returned with all the children. The mayor rewarded the Pied Piper with his 50,000 florins. The mayor had learnt a lesson. The children returned, and the town was once again peaceful. Moral: one should keep one's promise. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.